I'm Bobby, and today we're going to be doing some repairs to our trusty dryer here. So you can't really see it very well, but the inside barrel support here on our dryer is getting pretty old, and it started cracking and falling apart, which is bad for a few reasons. One of the main ones being that clothes are getting caught up in the cracks and twisting up and getting all nasty. So we're going to take it apart. I've already got some replacement parts ordered. And so it should be fairly simple to put in. Alright, so to start off with, take off the lint filter. And I've got 2 screws here. We're going to pull out. Lets the top come off. It should give us access to the front panel here. Looks like these are just your normal Phillips head. Just that easy. So you can see where it's been wearing out. There's supposed to be these little bearing supports that are completely gone, and it's eating into the plastic here. It cut into the wire for the light a while back. Probably should have placed it at that point, but I didn't. And so I took the wire out for the light. And so yeah, we're just gonna pull this plastic off, basically, put the new one on, and we'll be good to go. Just pops on. So this seal's pretty worn out. You can see it kind of had some buildup on the outside of it, which is not where you want it. Here's the wire for our light that I capped off. We're not going to worry about that because we don't really need to see in our dryer very often. Let me grab it back. Alright. Let's get this thing cleaned up. Ouch. Sharp metal. Clips in there on the top. This new piece that I got, I think it's from Appliance parts. I'll see, but they send you good parts. It's got the foam seal already on it. Some of them don't, and then it does have this felt liner on this side. That's already in place. So I'm just checking these to make sure they're all put on securely. And then I like to test it just to make sure it's going to work. That doesn't sound very good. Alright, so these little bearing strips are what it's all about. Looks like there's a spot for 4. I didn't know that, I only got 2. So, probably a good idea to pick up a couple more of those and slide them in there. And that was the original problem, is I guess they wore out and never got replaced. Ate through the support on the old one. And I did grab a new one of these. So slide that back in there. Boom. Go. That's it.